Did you know that drumming is not only fun, but it's also a form of connection? Hey, Dory here with Next Stage Drumming. And yes, it's a really cool thing if you're drumming in a group or with another person because your rhythms connect. And you also can connect as individuals. It's really interesting to see how many people are having so much fun at my events or my workshops, and they're all drumming along together to either music that I'm playing or to the beats and rhythms that I'm teaching them. It's also cool when they all sync up those rhythms together, a process known as entrainment, where they're really connecting and staying on the same beat. And it happens almost all the time, and it's always interesting to see. So, one way to connect is to connect with your drum. The second way is to connect with each other, people in the group or the individual you might be drumming with. The third way is if you're a person of faith, you can also connect with God. There we go. So when I'm drumming, usually all three happen. So there we go. Now I'm going to do a couple of easy beats just to show you how you and I can connect. And if you don't have a drum, that's totally fine. Just drum on your legs, a tabletop, or a book, whatever you have handy. I'm going to do just 4 beats on the sides here, otherwise known as a single stroke roll. And I'm going to do a variation. So get ready. 1, 2, here we go. 2, there we go. Take some deep breaths. All right, let's see if you can follow me. I'm going to do 2 in the middle and 2 on the edge. All right, you ready? 3 and 2 and 1 and stop. All right, now you got that 2 in the middle, 2 on the edge. 5 more beats on the edge. We'll make a little combination there for you. All righty, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, here we go. Drum roll. There we go. Just something quick and fun to show you how you can connect with your drum, with God, and with others, and have a fun time at the same time. Till next time, Dory Staley, Next Stage Drumming. Keep on rocking.